also add on to that, and you know, Ken had mentioned the if you need to write an RFI, request for information, or a lot of times, well, I mean, I would call it an RFP, request for proposal. And I think to Praveen's point, that the detail that you provide there is very important. You want to provide the CDMOs that you are looking at with a consistent, so they're all basically bidding on having access to the same information. And so the more effort, and again, getting that internal alignment to make sure that you know what it is that you're asking for, the more effort that you put into that up front and the more details that you can provide gives then the CDMO all the access to that information so that they have very specifics of what it is that they're being asked to bid on for a given project. So that is something that I've done as well, is really invest the time and the effort to put a very thorough RFP together, especially for, you know, projects that are more important versus maybe a one-off analytical method development or something.